Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Claude model not available or falling back error. If your application reports that a Claude model is unavailable or automatically falls back to another model, it usually means the requested model can't be reached at that moment. This can happen because of temporary service interruptions, timeouts, incorrect configuration, or the model not being available for your account. The best solution isn't to stop your application when this happens, it's to make it resilient. In this guide, you'll install the latest SDK, verify your authentication, implement automatic fallback logic, and configure execution timeouts so your application can recover gracefully from temporary availability issues. The first step is to open your terminal. Before troubleshooting anything else, make sure you're using the latest SDK. Run the installation command for the official Anthropic client package. Updating to the latest client library ensures your application has the newest API improvements, bug fixes, and compatibility updates. Wait for the installation to complete successfully before moving on. Next, verify your authentication. Still inside your terminal, run the command that exports your environment authorization variables. This loads your Claude API credentials into your current terminal session so your application can authenticate successfully. Make sure your API key is valid and correctly configured before testing the application again. Once authentication has been confirmed, the next step is to improve your application's resilience. Run the provided command that creates an automated resilient fallback loop. Rather than allowing requests to fail immediately when a preferred model isn't available, this logic automatically attempts another suitable model. For example, if your preferred model is temporarily unavailable, your application can continue serving users by selecting another compatible Claude model instead of stopping altogether. Automatic fallback helps improve application availability and provides a smoother experience during temporary service disruptions. Next, strengthen your error handling. Run the provided script that implements structured try-catch layers. This code monitors each API request and detects situations where the primary model cannot be reached because of temporary service interruptions, API cluster availability issues, network failures, latency timeouts. When one of these conditions occurs, the script immediately performs an alternative model swap. Instead of terminating the request, your application automatically retries using another configured Claude model, allowing the workflow to continue whenever possible. Finally, configure execution limits. Return to your terminal. Run the command that sets global execution timeouts. Execution timeouts prevent requests from waiting indefinitely when a model or network connection becomes unresponsive. If the timeout is exceeded, your application can trigger the fallback logic you've already implemented, improving both responsiveness and reliability. After implementing all of these improvements, save your project and test it under different conditions. To summarize, fixing Claude model availability or fallback errors begins by installing the latest official Anthropic client package and verifying that your environment authorization variables are configured correctly. Next, implement the provided automated resilient fallback loop so your application can switch to another compatible model whenever the preferred one is temporarily unavailable. Then, strengthen your application by using the provided try-catch implementation, which detects service interruptions, cluster availability issues, and latency timeouts before immediately swapping to an alternative model. Finally, configure global execution timeouts so stalled requests are terminated quickly and your fallback logic can take over without delaying the user experience. By combining updated client libraries, proper authentication, intelligent fallback routing, structured error handling, and sensible timeout limits, you can build Claude-powered applications that remain reliable even during temporary service disruptions. These resilience techniques help maximize uptime, improve user experience, and ensure your application continues operating smoothly when individual models or API endpoints become unavailable. And that's how to fix Claude model unavailable or automatic fallback errors. By keeping your SDK up to date, verifying your API credentials, implementing automatic fallback logic, handling failures with structured try-catch blocks, and setting global execution timeouts, you can build applications that recover gracefully from temporary model or service availability issues and continue serving users reliably. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.